pancreas and a gastric gland. Okay, so what is the meaning of a gastric, children? Gastric அப்படினா என்னது? Something related to
stomach.
Yes, very good, Lakshana. Okay, it's the stomach. Okay, everyone. Yes, so even patamna questions lime gastric glands are found in blank அப்படினு கொடுத்திருப்பாங்க. In the options we can get a stomach, small intestine, large intestine. Okay, so அப்ப இந்த gastricனா நீங்க stomach அப்படினு தெரிஞ்சிட்டோம்னா okay, we can easily pick the answers. Okay, children. So let's start with the mouth. Okay, so the mouth will have the following parts. Okay, so the first part will be a palate. Okay, palate. Yes, so the roof. Okay, so the tongue irukku, so tongue oda roof irukku illaya, so this is called as a palate. Okay, so நம்ம tongue la irundhu adoda roof touch பண்ணி பார்த்தோம்னா okay, first there will be a hard one. Okay, கொஞ்சம் hard ah feel பண்ணுவோம். And okay, when we roll our tongue, okay, so we can feel some soft tissue, right? So this is called as a soft palate. Okay, everyone, hard palate, next to that soft palate. Clear? And another one will be okay, so there will be the gum and then a teeth, and then okay, we have a tongue. Okay, everyone, and so we will see about the tongue. So the function of a tongue is to mix the food. Okay, so properly mix the food. And next, so what are the other functions, everyone? Tongue oda another function. Yes,
Mom, taste. Chew.
Okay, so taste, very good. Okay, yes, so we have the yes,
taking the food inside.
yes. Okay, so for swallowing, very good, Latish. Okay, and so okay, first one is for the taste perception. So we have various okay, yes, taste perception. Yes, okay, buds, so that okay, the taste can be perceived. Okay, next word is it's about the teeth. Okay, teeth. And so one more thing, children. So okay, yes, is okay, edavadhu oru taste vandu miss agudha? Do you think okay, yes, any taste is missing here? Yes, 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 Sanjay. Spicy, very good, very good. காரமா இருக்குது, right? Yes, very good. Okay, ஏன்னா ஏன் இதுல அங்க நமக்கு லிஸ்ட் பண்ணலன்னா okay, so நம்ம பாடியை வந்து so okay, yes, நம்ம பாடியில அத டேஸ்டா அவங்க சொல்றது கிடையாது. It is a pain. Okay, pain. ஏன் இப்படி பெயின் சொல்றாங்கன்னா
அந்த இரிட்டேஷன் ஃபீலிங்.
Yes, okay, so even நம்மளோட ஸ்கின்ல வந்துட்டு okay, yes, ஒரு yes, ஸ்பைசியான ஒரு okay, so சில்லி பவுடரே இருக்குன்னு வச்சுப்போம். Okay, so even நம்மளோட ஐல இருக்கலாம். Okay, இது எதுவுமே வந்து பார்த்தோம்னா so it is not a taste. Even okay, நம்ம throat skin பார்த்தோம்னா we will have a burning sensation, which means okay, so the spicy, yes, okay, so it is not okay categorized under a so okay, நம்ம டேஸ்ட் நம்ம சொன்னோம்னா கூட okay, actually so the taste நம்ம சொல்றது கிடையாது, it's a pain. Okay, children, and next to it, so we are going to discuss about a teeth. So humans have a heterodont, which means okay, so they have a two type. Okay, so yes, different types. Hetero na different. Hetero means different. Okay, we will see what are the different types of teeth. Okay, yes, incisor. Okay, incisor. So we have incisor. Okay, for the cutting. So இப்போ ஏதாவது ஒரு so biscuit ஏதாவது நீங்க bite பண்ண போறீங்க, கட் பண்ண போறீங்கன்னா so we will be using this. Okay, so these tooth. Okay, and they are called as yeah, 1 minute. So they are called as incisors. Okay, and then a canine. Okay, so yes, so canine. Okay, canine teeth is helpful for piercing and tearing. So that's why so this particular teeth, okay, canine is very much okay, so it is well developed in the carnivore. Yes, okay, so lion ka irukkalam, right? Okay, have you ever seen it? The canine teeth will be
sharp edge teeth.
yes, okay, so yes, okay, very good. And next to it, it's the premolar. Okay, so whenever yeah, so we can yes, use the incisor or a canine. Okay, so the pieces of the food will be a little bigger, right? So that okay, we will be pushing the food. Okay, yes, so backside நம்ம push பண்றப்போ so there will be the premolar, and then there will be the okay grinding. So இங்க பார்த்தோம்னா so ஒரு okay, yes, coarse grinding இருக்கும். And next to that okay, fine grinding. So நம்ம வீட்ல சொல்வாங்க இல்லையா, okay, நல்லா chew பண்ணி சாப்பிடுங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்வாங்க, right? Okay, yes, for these okay, so these two, so these okay teeth are very much helpful. Clear, children? And then yes, so these are the okay parts of the tooth, and then okay, yes, so dental, okay, dental cares அப்படின்றது பார்க்க போறோம். Okay, as how these, okay, so tooth decay occurs. Okay, it's for the information. Yeah, so first பார்த்தோம்னா, okay, healthy tooth will have a enamel. Okay, enamel, even the advertisements also you would have seen it, right? So the outer shiny part will be known as enamel. Okay, and then so yes, okay, we are consuming the food, and then if there is a leftover food, okay, so ஏதாவது ஒரு food particle ஏதாவது ஒன்று இருக்கு அப்படின்னா, okay, and then so the bacteria which will be present in our okay, oral cavity or a mouth, so these two will produce an acid. So this particular acid will be, okay, yes, so corroding. Okay, so the வந்து என்ன பண்ணும், so கொஞ்சம் acid வந்து அது அரிக்கும் இல்லையா? Okay, so like this, okay, so they will corrode it. Okay, because of it only, okay, the enamel part and then all other parts will be, yes, okay, so will be decaying. Clear? Okay, and then so yes, so that we have to rinse our mouth, and then okay, brushing the teeth twice a day. And dental floss na, okay, it's like a thread like structures polar. Okay, so yes, we shouldn't use, okay, any type of a thread. So yes, we have to use only the dental floss. Okay, so that in the mari teeth irukku appadina, okay, yes, if there is any food, okay, trapped here, we can remove it easily. Okay, everyone. Yes, next over. So next is the pharynx. Okay, pharynx is, so we have seen about the mouth, right? Okay, next to that, okay, so the throat region, we have a pharynx. Okay, we have a pharynx, and so the pharynx has, okay, so 3 parts in it. And so it is nasopharynx, oropharynx, laryngopharynx. Okay, which means, okay, so nearby, so there is a nose. So nose kitta irukra and the pharynx ku peru nasopharynx. Oropharynx.
3 type, ma'am.
Yeah, yes, 3. Okay, so 3 parts of the pharynx: naso, oro, laryngopharynx. Okay, laryngopharynx. And one more thing is about the laryngopharynx is that, so we have the more, okay, yes, common connections. Okay, so common passage here. So that's why நம்ம food consume பண்றோம்னா, okay, so in our home, so they will say, right, so while you're, okay, yes, having the food, so swallowing the food, so don't speak அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க, right? Because, okay, so if we speak, so what will happen? Yes,
May go into the air.
yes, okay, yes, so the food can enter into the windpipe. Okay, so to avoid that, so hiccups, okay, so இது வந்து என்ன பண்ணும், so okay, so yes, it will be, okay, removing, okay, try to remove the food particle. Okay, next to it, so esophagus, everyone. So remember that, so the digestion will not happen in the okay, esophagus. So in this esophagus, only one process is happening, which means the food is
Survival or transport.
yes, okay, so the only, okay, the food is so moving down. Okay, it is, yeah, so the process is known as peristalsis. Okay, peristalsis. Clear, everyone? So we have seen even among the plants learn பண்றப்போ இந்த term பார்த்திருப்போம். Okay, in a peristalsis, right? Peristalsis means, okay, in a particular part alone there will be a movement. Yes, remember, everyone? Okay, there will be the movement in a particular organ or a particular part. It is also known as, okay, yes, peristalsis. Okay, peristalsis. So inge மட்டும் தான் ஒரு movement இருக்கு. Okay, and next to that, so the food will be taken to the stomach. Okay, the stomach will have the J-shaped sac-like structures, and then they will have the cardiac fundus body and a pyloric part. Okay, and then so there, okay, yes, so the innermost layer will have a mucus. So mucus secreted, okay, mucus will be secreted, and another one is, another secretion here will be HCl. So why HCl is present in the, okay, produced in the stomach? Anyone of you?
To kill the germs.
Yeah, very good,
Bacteria
Lakshana.
will be killed.
Yes,
And to
okay.
activate the pepsin.
Yes, very good, very good. Well done. Okay, and apart from that, okay, it will be producing some enzymes. Okay, we are going to discuss in the next class about the enzymes and biomolecules alone, children. Okay, and then for their activation, HCl is needed. Okay, as Sanjay added. So okay, so we have the enzyme in our stomach, and then so for these, yeah, activation, so they need the acidic medium which is given by the HCl. Okay, and so next to it, yes, there are the functions. So okay, the food will be there, it will be around, okay, so 3 to 4 hours here food lay vandu pathumna, so store ஆயிட்டே இருக்கும், right? Okay, next to that, so it will be producing some of the enzymes also. Okay, so இதெல்லாம் பார்த்தோம்னா GN pro அப்படினா start ஆகும், which means they are inactive. ஓகே ஸோ எஸ் இப்போதைக்கு நம்ம இந்த ஹார்மோன்ஸ் ஓகே இந்த இங்க இருக்கிற இந்த என்சைம்ஸ் பத்தி லேர்ன் பண்ண போறது கிடையாது ஏன்னா நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸ் ஓகே அண்ட் ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் டு இட் is about the small intestine. Okay, so small intestine clear. So small intestine abdina you have to remember that yes the digestion will be completed. Okay children, the digestion will be completed in the small intestine. So when our food will reach our small intestine, so the digestion will complete it. Okay, so the digestion completed one thing, and after that okay so what happens everyone, so once the digestion is done what happens next? So guess panunga. Yes, yes.
Excretion.
Okay, so ejection. So we absorption is the correct answer. Yeah, very good. Okay, and one more thing is okay. So the small intestine size. Okay, the size of the small intestine varies. Okay, yeah, if it is yes herbivores, so their small intestine. Okay, yes, you have to tell me. So yes, okay. So அது வந்து ஷார்ட்டா இருக்குமா இல்ல லாங்கா இருக்குமா? Herbivores oda.
Long.
Yes, very good. Okay, very good, both of you. Okay, so they will be having a longer one. Why it is longer? The small intestine is longer in the herbivorous animals. Okay, so the
Because
herbivores
they
will
eat
be
only leaves and plants.
yes. Okay, so they will be consuming it, and then so what will be present inside the cell? Okay, which is not present in the animal cell.
Cell wall.
Cell wall, very good. Okay, cell wall is made up of yes, any one of you, it will
Cellulose.
yes, very good Lakshana. Okay, it's the cellulose. Okay, cellulose. So okay, it needs yes. Okay, so it will not easily digest it. Yeah, so that yeah, so the herbivores will have the longer okay small intestine so than that of the animal. Okay, so yes. Okay, so meat eating okay individuals, and next to it so it has a 3 parts in it. So small intestine will have a duodenum, jejunum and ileum. So these are the okay duodenum, jejunum and ileum. Okay, and what is the other function? So remember that children, small intestine is the site of complete digestion and absorption. Okay, and absorption is nothing but so okay so நம்ம நீங்க வந்து ஒரு carbohydrate consume பண்றீங்கன்னு வெச்சுப்போம். Okay, and then carbohydrate consume பண்ணா it will be converted to glucose, and then glucose வந்து okay it will be there in the small intestine. So just imagine this is the small intestine. The small intestine will have a finger like projections called anyone? Yes, very good. Okay, so they will have the villi. Okay, villi. Clear. And then so each villus will have a blood vessels in it. Okay, like this. So they will have the blood vessels in it, so that if the food is moving here, okay, if the food is moving, yes, if the food is moving, all the nutrients, which means the glucose alone, okay, not every material, only the digested material will be sent into the blood. Okay, so absorption abdina another from the digestive system to blood. Okay, the food will be okay the digested food will be moving from the digestive system to the blood. So in the term நீங்க கேட்டிருப்பீங்க right? Okay, blood sugar level is increasing. Okay, so உங்களுக்கு diabetes அவங்களோட blood sugar level test பண்ண போயிருக்காங்க, இந்த termsல கேட்டிருக்கீங்களா children? Yes or no? Blood
Yes.
sugar. Okay, அவங்களுக்கு sugar நிறைய இருக்கு அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க right, which means okay so அந்த sugar diabetes எல்லாமே வந்து நம்ம next chapterல discuss பண்ணலாம். So இங்க என்னதான் இருக்கு அப்படின்னா okay so here so the absorption will happen. Yes, so if the absorption is okay done, we can say the blood glucose level is increasing. So glucose தான் வந்து so sugar அப்படின்னு ஜெனரலா சொல்றாங்க. Okay children, so if it is exceeded, so அவங்களோட blood check பண்ணி பார்க்கறப்போ so if the glucose level is so more amount, and then we can say it is diabetes அப்படின்றது. Okay, diabetes நம்ம next classல so next chapterல discuss பண்ணலாம்.
Is it due to overeating?
Okay, so not overeating, so we have to consume yes carbohydrate இருக்கு இல்லையா, so carbohydrate வந்து okay it should be lower. பட் ஓகே நம்ம எல்லாமே ஃபுட் கன்சியூம் ரொம்ப கம்மியா சாப்பிடணும் அப்படின்றது கிடையாது. பட் இட் ஹாஸ் டு பி பேலன்ஸ்டு ஃபுட், பேலன்ஸ்டு டயட். Clear? So yes, everything we will be seeing seeing in the next class, children. Okay, about the protein, we have to consume more protein. Okay, it will be very much helpful. And then so we have to intake more an amount of fruits and vegetables. Okay, and greens. Clear? And object will have a small volume. They will have the larger surface area. Okay, larger surface area. Clear? So I do my yes. Okay, yes, that is it. And yeah, so it is it, everyone. Okay, so the surface area will be more. Okay, for example, so on the it is a small intestine. So in the small intestine la
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
okay, yes, for everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
For everyone. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yeah, 1 minute. Okay, yes. So now check, everyone. Is my voice audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, children. So yes, okay. So now we'll do the FT. Okay. Yeah, remember. Yes. Okay. Yeah, the small intestine is the site of complete digestion. So the rest we will be learning in our next class.
Book a free demo class and join Pumpa to make your children topper.